How to apply loan on Celsius Network app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ben Bisnet, and today I'll guide you and explain you if or how you can apply loan on Celsius Network. Well, unfortunately, you can't do so anymore. You can't access any services for Celsius Network. Celsius was a global cryptocurrency platform and Bitcoin mining company that emerged from Chapter 11 bankruptcy on January 31, 2024. Now, on February 29, 2024, the Celsius mobile and web apps were shut down as a part of the winding down of its business operations as detailed in the plan of reorganization. Now, beginning on February 1, 2024, claim distributions to eligible creditors are being made in cryptocurrency and US dollars. Some creditors are eligible to receive equity shares in Ionic Digital LLC. So as you can read here, the platform has been shut down. You can't perform any transactions or trading here anymore, so you can't apply for a loan anymore as well. So hope you understand this. Do like and subscribe and further comment down below if you have any further issues.